Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Data Science Application using More and DL Techniques.
Part 8.
And these are the future of data science, problem in handling data, never-ending growth of data, increased demand data of data scientists, popularity of machine learning, emerging sources of data, etc. So I'm summarizing the first chapter, data science. So all of them have a tech background. Machine learning and data mining are the common skills. Programming, statistics, database, and visualization and the top of areas the specialized in. So with this one, I'm closing the first chapter. Now I'm going to show you practical sessions. Before that, my dear friends, please open your laptop or mobile phone. Please go to YouTube channel. Just type my name, Dr. Asadi. See now. So I'm going to start with the Python programming. Very simple. I'll show you two programs. Then we will move to the other subject immediately. So now just go to YouTube. Just type just type my name, Dr. Asadi. Please take your mobile and subscribe my channel. And whenever you are getting free time, please, you can subscribe my channel. Okay. So these are the various various videos I kept. Nearly 107 videos I kept. Even ChatGPT I have used for applications, various videos. Okay. So my dear friends, 138 members are there. Please subscribe my channel, and you can listen and you can write any comments on that video. So now I'm going to explain Python programming. See, first you need to download Python. Very simple. I'm going to show you. So if you are a fresher of Python programming, I'm going to show you. See here, just download. See, I'm downloading. Just go to Google. My screen is visible, sir. Python
yes, it is visible.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm showing practicals now. See now, all of you, my dear friends. See, download. Welcome to Python org. Just go to Google, type Python software. So now see the downloads. Go to downloads, Python 3.11.2. See, I'm downloading. This is 24 MB file. Very simple file. Now see, my file is downloaded. Now here, see here. So this is the file. Okay. So what is the size of the file? 24.1 MB. So I'm installing. See, double click, just a double click. See, I have already installed this one. So now it is asking, you can select add path in this one. While first double click the software, then you double click it, you will get add path. You select add path while installing. If you are having laptops, please, if you double click, you will get one icon there. You need to select add path. I'll show you now. See, I have already installed. That's why it is showing 3.11.2 latest version. It takes only 1 minute for installation of Python. Is so popular because of rich number of libraries. Okay, and Python programming. See, object-oriented programming language called Python. It is interpreted language and a scripting programming language. Python can be executed in two ways. I'm showing IDLE and a scripting way. IDLE is nothing but integration development learning environment. Now, and there are see Python data types. Who developed Python programming? Guido van Rossum. He is from Netherlands. So Python supports integer, character, float, double, etc. Python collections are arrays, lists, sets, tuples, dictionaries. and various concepts I am going to demonstrate today. Python programming, these are the basic concepts. Okay, so I'm going to show you programs. Just listen. See, setup was setup was successful. Now, see, if you want to uninstall the software, you can uninstall and you can do once again. See, I'm in uninstalling because I want to show you. You need to select the add path. So that's why I'm explaining. I'm uninstalling. It takes 1 minute. Now, if you are having a laptop, first step onwards, I'm showing practicals. See, these are the practicals I'll demonstrate. So various programs I'm going to show you. Okay. So this PPT I'm going to share with you, and we can execute various kinds of loop statements and Python collections like arrays, list, sets, tuples, dictionaries I have executed and I kept here. And now I'm going to show you the concepts of Python programming like Python arrays. These are the programs I have executed. Python strings, okay, and followed by the Python functions. Then you can see the Python classes. Just I'm showing the syllabus. I'm going to demonstrate now practicals. I'm showing. Then followed by the Python exceptions. Then Python file operations. This is the last topic in Python programming. Then Python libraries, NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Piano, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, Seaborn. These are the libraries, Matplotlib, etc. So with this one, I'm closing the this. There are 5 reasons why we are studying data science. Data science professionals can get up to speed quickly. Data science teams can form quickly. Python's extensive library means data science tools are already available. Python can be used for nearly anything in data science. Scripts in Python can be developed quickly. So benefits of Python for data science, it simplifies debugging, it open source programming language, it useful in automation, it uses real world programming products, it produces development time, it enhances productivity, it is powerful language. So with this one, I am closing the Python programming. Now see, so uninstall was successful. Now I'm going to show you installation. This is the step. See here, you need to select add path. For that purpose, I have uninstalled. So add path onto our system. Now install. It takes only 1 minute. Okay. So now I'm going to practical session on by using Python various applications I'm going to show you. So how many of you having laptop? Please open your laptop and install Python programming. You need to select add path. Now, once completion of the Python, I will show you practicals. Now see, setup was successful. So how do you can check see, go to command prompt. How to check?
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.